Hello students, today we will see the last part of this lesson, that is three-dimensional shape, and it is also the last part of our syllabus also. So under this three-dimensional shape inside, we seen how to prepare the rectangular prism, cube, triangular prism also I shown to you, cylinder also I shown. Now the next point is that is the pyramid. So if you see here in the picture, you will notice that here pyramid how it is given. So take a piece of a paper and cut this shape on the paper. This shape we have to cut on the paper. Here it must be the square, and on square side all equilateral triangles we have to cut, and then we will get a shape which is given in the figure, that is ABCD. A net is shown here it has identical triangular sides. Okay, the sides of the triangle are identical. Draw a figure like this on the card sheet and cut it out. Fold along the dotted lines of the square and bring the sides together so that the vertices A, B, C, D meet at a point. So here it is point A, B, C and D that we have to bring here together. Okay, and then if you bring it together, we will get this quadrangular prism. Okay, you will get a shape like the one shown in below. Its base is square, in other standing faces are triangular. Okay, so here when you open this, this face is the square and the remaining faces are triangular in the shape. In this way we will get the quadrangular prism. This shape is called as a pyramid, and it is also called as a pyramid. The top or apex of the shape is pointed like a needle. As the base of this shape is quadrilateral, it is called as a quadrangular prism. Means its base is a quadrilateral or the square shape, and that's why it is called as a quadrangular prism. Okay, this is the quadrilateral, that's why it is called as a quadrangular prism. Now count the edges, vertices and the faces. So if you see here, you will notice that 1, 2, this back side 3 and 4, and downside 5 faces are there. If you are speaking about the vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 vertices are there, and edges how many? 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges are there. I will show you the shape also. Next it is the triangular prism. Triangular prism. Draw a net alongside. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a net like this on the paper. How? It's a little bit we have to take this inside. This shape we have to cut, and here these all the 4 triangles are there. These are similar triangles. Okay, here it is a triangular prism. So what is given here? Draw a net shown alongside on the card sheet paper. In this way you have to draw the net. Cut it and fold along the dotted lines. Here we have to cut and fold into this dotted lines of the triangle in the center and bring together the triangles on the side A, B, C, that we have to bring it at the center. And if you open this, you will see such a type of triangular prism. Okay, now you will get the triangular prism. Why it is called as a triangular prism? Because its base is also triangular. Above here the base is a quadrilateral. Here this pyramid's base is quadrilateral shape, that's why it is called as quadrangular prism, and for this the base is triangular, that's why it is called as a triangular prism. Okay, after that, here now I know inside what is given to us. The top and the bottom faces of prism are identical. All the other faces of triangular, quadrangular, etc. prism are rectangular. The standing faces of a pyramid are triangular, and the name of the prism and pyramid depends upon the shape of its base, and that's why this is called as a quadrangular prism, because base is quadrilateral, and it is called as a triangular because of. Now the next shape is the cone shape. Okay, you are familiar with the cone shape because this cone we are using in the birthday parties are there, ice cream cones are there. Okay, that time we are wearing the cap, otherwise ice cream we are eating, its shape is the cone shape. Okay, so here you are familiar with the examples of the cone. This cone, ice cream cone, filling with the ice cream, circular, top is closed, and this is called as a cone. This is a cone cap. Circular base of the cap is not closed. So here this is the closed cone and here it is open cone. And then here the cone has a apex. This is the one vertex. This is a curved face and this is a circular flat face. Circular edge is given here, and in this way this cone has a, the tip of the cone is called as a apex. The cone that is close to a flat disc has one curved face. Okay, it has a one curved face. So this is the one curved face, one circular flat and circular flat face, and one is the edge. So this is the one edge, this is the apex. It is shown in the picture. Now here the cone, how to make the cone, it is given here. Try this. Using a compass, draw a circle. This we have to draw with center C. Draw radii. So these are the two radii. Cut out the circle, and this we have to draw, and we have to cut this. After cutting this, we will get this shape. Bring the both sides. Now we have to bring these both sides together, and if we join this, we will get a cone shape. Okay, and then the last is the sphere. A shape of laddu, ball, short put is the sphere shape, and sphere has just one curved face. Sphere has only one face, and that is called as a curved face. Now here in the exercise 41, I will show you one video with this different shapes to understand this, and here the practice set is given, and that practice set if you have to complete. So here we have drawn how many faces it has. It is a cylindrical shape, so it has a three faces. One, this curved face and downside face. If it is a close, it has three faces. Vertices, dash, edges, how many are there? Two edges are there. Okay, then cone. Here cone has, this is a, how many faces? This is a flat curved face, and this is the flat face. It has two faces. Vertex, this is the vertex, one vertex, and edge is how many? One circular edge is there. Same like this for this pentagonal prism. These five faces around it is, and downside one means it has a six faces. Speaking with the vertices, how many vertices it has? 5 plus 1, 6 vertices are there, and the edges how many are there? 1, 2, this upsides 5 and downsides 5, so total 10 faces are edges are there. In this way we have to solve the exercise which is given in our book. Okay, now the next its answers are also given. I will show you with the answers only. Here so it has how many, means this is the one curved face, and upside and downside curved face is 2. If it is a closed, then that time 3 faces are there. It is open, and that's why here it is a one curved face is there. Vertices 0. How many edges are there? 2 circular edges, 1 and 2. For the cone, one curved flat, one curved, this is a curved face, and one flat face is there. One vertex is there, this is one vertex, and one circular edge is there, which is here given with the dark line. Now next I shown to you how it is there. Now next we will see, the next it is the hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism has above 6 and 1 7 faces are there. Vertexes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 vertex are there, and edges above 6 plus this downside 6. In this way 12 faces, 12 edges are there. Hexagonal prism has how many faces? 8 faces are there, means this sides curved 6 and above 1 and below 1. In this way 8 faces are there. Then 12 vertices are there. If you see here, hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 plus downside 6, 12 vertices are there, and edges how many are there? How many? 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. This 6 and then here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Above 6, below 6 and side 6. In this way 18 faces are there. And for pentagonal prism, same 5 faces, 1, 2 and 5 pentagon, that's why 5 plus 2. Here hexagon means 6 plus 2 faces are there. How many pentagonal prism has a vertices? Above 5 and below 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 plus 5, 10 vertices. And edges how many are there? 15 edges are there. In this way, we have to complete the exercise practice set number 41, and with this what happens, our syllabus is over, and that shapes one video is there that I will send you on the group to understand it, because these some faces are there, it was remain to show you. So all of you complete this, our syllabus over. And for our exam, how many lessons are there? There are part 2, okay, inside it, from lesson number 10 to 18 all lessons are there for our second semester. Okay, so all of you study these lessons for the second semester. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.